Hello out there, all of you in YouTube land. Thanks for clicking. I had a few minutes, so I just wanted to give a quick update on our 1969 Camaro project. If you hadn't seen that video where we rescue this really ratty 1969 Camaro, you might want to check that out. There's a link in the description, and there'll be the thingy up here somewhere where you can go. But at the end of that video, I had asked for name ideas, and we got a bunch, and a lot of them were really good. And at the end of the day, we went with a variation of a name submitted by Lawrence T. McGillicuddy 7447. So he had suggested Little Rascal. Kind of like the idea. The car is super ratty, and it looked like it'd been sitting in a swamp for 30 years, and all I could think was swamp rat, but that didn't seem fitting. So anyway, we decided to call it the Rat Marrow. I liked it so much I even had these cool stickers made up, the Rat Marrow. So anyway, that's the name of our new project going forward. And I want to thank Lawrence T. McGillicuddy 7447, as well as everyone else who submitted an idea. A special mention to this fella here who suggested we call it Bobby Joe. I'm not going to get into why he called it Bobby Joe. If you want to know, you can check that out in the comments. But that was pretty funny. Made me laugh out loud. At any rate, if you did submit a name idea, hit me up on my email, and I'll shoot you out one of these cool stickers. And for Lawrence McGillicuddy, we also have the Hammers Garage stickers, so I'm going to send you some of that stuff, as well as a special surprise out of the old Rat Marrow. So thanks for tuning in. We have more content coming out on the Camaro this week, and hey, in the meantime, hit me up. I'd love to know what you think. The feedback, we're a small channel, but I'll tell you, the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. So I appreciate that, and I appreciate everyone that watches and subscribes and likes and shares and all that stuff. So we'll see you real soon, and in the meantime, the drill. Get off the couch and go wrench on something.